If you've ever tried to control the dust in your workshop or garage, you've probably tried grabbing one of these cheap box fans and slapping an HVAC filter on it and calling it good. You probably also know they don't really work that great. So when DeWalt sent me this 16-inch air cleaner fan, I was pretty intrigued and I had to try it out. But does it work? Let's take a look. What separates this fan from just any other fan that's going to move air around is this giant two-stage filter. You can see it's pleated. It's almost like a fiberglass paper, and it has this foam pre-filter to get the big chunks out. This filter is rated for 99.9% of all debris, down to 2.5 microns. And this screws right into the back here. And now your box fan is an air cleaner. But what's better about this than just slapping an HVAC filter on a box fan? Well, first of all, it moves a ton more air. Let's start off with a side-by-side comparison. So the box fan weighs a couple of pounds, and this thing is pretty hefty. It's solidly built. That doesn't mean it's going to work. Box fan has 5 blades and a diameter of about 18 inches overall on the blades. The DeWalt fan only has 3 blades, and the diameter is actually closer to 12 or 14 inches. Tough to measure. Overall diameter of the fan itself, much smaller. Is the box fan coming out ahead? Turn this on high. This is what box fan looks like trying to blow some paper towels on high. They're moving. As you can see, the DeWalt fan is pushing a lot more air than the box fan. On the box fan, you only have 3 speeds. The DeWalt fan has this speed knob up here, which they say is infinite speed control. And all you do is you push it on, and the fan comes on high. Turn the knob, you bring the speed down. So this is minimum. This is the lowest speed on the DeWalt fan. It is still pushing quite a bit of air. Another cool feature on this fan is that it has a sensor in it for reading the humidity of the air moving through the fan, as well as the particulate count, which it reads out in micrograms per cubic meter. All that is a number that tells you how much dust is floating around in your air. So when you turn the fan on, if the number's at 50 or 100 or whatever it is, you should see that number come down drastically as the filter catches a lot of those particulates. Up on the top here, just like the speed knob, you have a timer knob. So when the fan is running, all you have to do is activate the timer and turn it in increments of 30 minutes. We've got a couple of big knobs here on the side, which are easy to loosen and lock, and that will help your fan go in any orientation that you want it to. Another neat feature on this stand is these hooks, which pull down out of the bottom. So you can have the whole thing hanging from a 2x4 wall or from the ceiling or what have you, and give you some space savings on the job site or in your workshop. At first, I was a little disappointed that it didn't have a dedicated cord storage like the shop vacuum does. And then I realized you can actually just wrap the cord around the bell housing here on the fan. And they gave you a nice little clip here. You tie the cord to itself, and the cord is stowed away. In order to change the filter on the back here, you've got these indications and a triangle for locked and unlocked. You give the thing a twist, and the filter comes out. In the manual, it tells you not to vacuum or get this wet. So you just kind of shake the dust out of it, I guess, and then put it back. And you can also get replaceable filters as need be. So I just want to cut in here for a second. For full transparency, as I was editing this video, I was trying to find the link for the replacement filters for this fan. The whole plastic housing with the pleated paper is all glued in. It's all one assembly. I cannot find anywhere online right now that sells these replacement filters. So that could be a pretty major setback. depending on how much dust you have going in here. I've reached out to my contact at DeWalt. I'll let you know what they say. Overall, I think this is a really sturdy unit, great DeWalt quality. The fact that it will take the wood dust out of the air in my shop, where I don't have a lot of fancy dust collection equipment because I'm not a professional woodworker. So that's going to be huge for me and for my family. If you don't know, wood dust can be harmful to your health. And if I'm just cutting something down here on the saw, I got to vacuum everything up and dust, and the dust is still flying around. We do our laundry down here. My kids do crafting. So this is going to be a huge help. I really appreciate DeWalt sending this unit out to me to check out. If you want one of these, the link is in the description of this video. Make sure you like the video and subscribe to my channel for some more DIY content and tool reviews.